Hello friends. So this is the mobile app. It's present in both iOS and Android. So let's start with my profile. So my profile is where you'll be able to see the information about the employee. So as an employee, I'm able to see all the information like basic additional information, contact information, my organization information. Right. This was very useful during the lockdown and especially during the Nakabandi where uh, the employees were able to show it to the police personnel about their personal information of where they work. Now, uh, the app is present in four different languages. It's in vernacular, so it's different in four different languages. As of now, it's uh, English, Hindi, Marathi, and Gujarati. So I can change my language. I can just press on Hindi, submit it, and all the functions will come in Hindi. So this is again very useful for the blue collared employees or the office boys. Basically, even they can use the app. Turning it back to English, now let's quickly go through all the modules out here. What you see on the right hand side corner, the green finger, when you are logging in your attendance, just press this green finger and you can do a punch in. Now, the mobile app has geofencing, geotagging, IP lock in. So, it will give you the exact location of where the person is, it will give you the time, and also when the person logs out, so this is a red finger out here, that means that he has to log out. So, he can log out, say a punch out. Now, he can put in the minutes of the meeting out here, right? He can just put in what happened in the meeting and he can submit. So basically, it records the place where the person is, the time, and what happened in that meeting. So if you have a salesperson making four sales calls at every location, he needs to do a punch in, punch out, and also put in what happened in that meeting. Let's go through the modules now. This is the attendance module. It's the same UI UX experience which you'll have what you see on the web. There's a summary. There is a log records. Now, if you forget to punch in, you can regularize from here. Okay. And then these are all the requests, the regulation requests, whether it's requested, approved, or rejected. Going to the second module, it's leaves. So I can apply my leaves from the mobile. I need not log into the web version. Just apply for leave, whatever the category of leaves, full day, half day, from to, alternate contact date, alternate address. I can upload the supporting by just clicking in the photographs. Now this can be the during the sick leave if you want to upload the doctor's certificate. I'm able to see all my requests whether it's approved, pending, and this is the leave planner. This is basically planning the leave in advance, annual leave planner kind of a thing. So you can plan your leave in advance. Okay, so this is the leave module. Then comes the expense module. Now in expenses, obviously, it's divided into uh, three categories. In business expenses, I can log in my business expenses, just press business expenses, and I'm able to log in the transaction date, the purpose, the categories, which is again a customizable field, the merchant name, the currency, the amount, and I can select the project where I want to allocate it. Now, again, just take the photograph of the supporting and you can put it here and it goes for an approval. Same way, there are local travel expenses where I can put in the transaction date, the purpose, select the. Now, if I have my own vehicle, I can have a predefined rate. So, if I'm using my car, then I can say car and I can have a predefined rate of 8 rupees. I can put a start location and the end location. Now, this is linked to Google Maps, so it will give you the exact number of kilometers. Right? So, this is on the expenses. Then the engagement module. Now, you can divide different departments into the engagement module, or you can have the entire company in their engagement module. So you can put client wins, you can put photographs. If you want to inform the entire company about something, you can do that. So that's your engagement module. Then comes the help desk. Now this is an inter-department ticketing system. So you can raise tickets inter-department for any issues. So typically what happens is all the issues are sent in the email, and you really don't know how the department is performing. So this helps to track a department's performance, as we had earlier seen in the videos in the help desk. So this shows the total number of open tickets, closed tickets, and what's been the average response time. Here is how I raised the ticket. So ticket title, the category and description of the issue. And I can again choose and upload a file. Okay. Now comes Roost, or the task management. Okay, so we have already explained in detail the task management in the web version, in the web video, but it's also present in the app. So, I can just add a task as simple as possible out here from using the mobile. Add a task, put the task name, put the bucket. This will be the projects which we have defined at the master level. Put the priority, due date, and if it's a recurring task, I can just make it recurring. So I can define the frequency, whether it's weekly, whether it's monthly, or it's quarterly. I can assign it to the person, any task. Now, if I want to do a subtask, I can do that also. So I can just allocate a subtask to another person. Add a subtask. This is where I do it. Okay, similar fields. And again, I can upload any supportings which I want. Right? There are various filters. This will show you. This will show the tasks which are assigned to me. These are tasks assigned by me, and the other filters. So if I want to see task project wise, I can just change the view to bucket. I need to see what are the completed tasks or pending tasks. I can do that. Right. So this is the task management. Now I can also record my timesheets from the mobile itself. So this is where I record my timesheet. That's basically my daily task. So I can just record it from here, put the date, put the start time, the end time, and the bucket. Bucket is a project where I want to allocate, or it can be even the client's name. Put the description. If I want to upload any supporting, I can choose the file. I can do that. So that's your timesheet. I'm able to see timesheet, whether what's the timesheet for today, what is the timesheet for the week. So timesheet can be easily done from the mobile itself. I'm able to see all my documents, right? I'm able to see my pay slips. I'll be able to see my tax computations. I'll be able to see all the policies of the company, the different forms which are applicable, which are uploaded by the companies, the letters like your offer letters, appointment letters, increment letters, all kind of communication to the employees. I'm able to see in these letters. I'm also able to see what are the policies which are applicable to me, right? So that's all what you have on my documents. So you have almost everything which is covered on my documents. And then as a supervisor, I can go into the team section. I don't have to log in to the web again. I can approve leaves, I can approve expenses, I can approve regularization requests, and I can also see all the help desk tickets. So here is how it is. So these are the regularization requests which has come from the people who are reporting to me. They have forgotten to punch in, and it comes for my approval. So these are the ones which are pending, these are the ones which are approved, and these are the ones which are rejected. Then I'm able to see the leaves. So if people, the employees have send a leave request, then I'm able to see, I can approve or reject out here. So these are the pending leave requests. I can approve, reject. I'm able to see which are the approved ones. I'm able to see which are the rejected ones. Similarly, on the expenses, these are the expense requests which I've which is received by me as a manager. So I'm able to approve or I'm able to reject these requests. These are the approved ones and these are the rejected ones, right? Yeah. So this is the app, and yeah, thanks for listening to me.